Welcome to Civil Engineering at BartlikBartlik channel. It's about railway sleepers. Railway sleepers are the components on which the rails are arranged with proper gauge. These sleepers generally rests on ballast, and is also called as TIs in some regions. The load from rails when train passes is taken by these sleepers and is distributed it to the ballast. The basic functions of railway sleepers are 1. Hold the rails strongly and to maintain uniform gauge. 2. Transfer the load from rails to the ballast or ground. 3. Reduce the vibrations coming from rails. 4. Offer longitudinal and lateral stability. Classification of railway sleepers. Based on the materials used, railway sleepers are classified into following types: wooden sleepers, concrete sleepers, steel sleepers, cast iron sleepers, composite sleepers. The video shows how to replace worn-out sleepers. Enjoy and subscribe.